A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all into today's session of English literature. And today we will be discussing about chapter 5, which is honoring an artist. Now, children, this is a very, very famous story written by one of the greatest filmmakers or writers. Um, he has received Oscar also, right? And he got Bharat Ratna, and is none other than Satyajit Ray, a renowned filmmaker and story writer. So let's begin. Please follow me as I discuss this. There was a printer of silence at the Shatadal Club after their secretary Pranabesh Datta dropped the bomb. It was an emergency meeting being held just 5 days before the Bengali New Year. Pranabesh did not tell anyone why he wanted them there. He had sent a note to all the members saying that he was calling an emergency meeting. Now, this is about a meeting which was being held at the Shatadal Club, and whose secretary was Pranabesh Datta, and he has organized this emergency meeting. But he never didn't disclose to anybody why he had called that meeting. No. Jayanta Sarkar was the first to speak. Are you absolutely sure? He asked. Look at this letter. If you don't believe me, said Pranabesh. Here it is. Samar Kumar himself signed the letter. What better surety could you want? The letter was passed around the members and returned to Pranabesh. No, there was no doubt. The signature was indeed Samar Kumar's. Thanks to the film magazines, there were very few people who had not seen the famous signature before. Did he give a reason? Now, there was a letter in which was having the signature of Samar Kumar, and he was a very famous artist whose letters used to feature in many of the magazines, and everybody was knowing it. Shooting, said Pranabesh, outdoor shooting in Kalimpong came up unexpectedly, so he was very busy. Sorry, but says he cannot come. Strange, exclaimed Shantanu Rakshit. How could the man simply turn his eyes into a no? Naren Guin remarked, I told you at the beginning not to get involved with film stars. They never keep their words. What a catastrophe, said Jayanta. He liked being dramatic. Could you not think of an alternative arrangement, said Chunnilal Sanyal, who taught Bengali at the local Vivekananda Institute. Right? So the discussion is going on, and this guy Samar Kumar, he has said no to an invitation which was given by them due to an outdoor shooting at Kalimpong area. And the participants of the meeting are discussing about an alternative arrangement. What alternative arrangement do you expect us to make, Chunnilal, at this last minute? Asked Pranabesh. I have tried everything. I spoke to someone and asked him to get hold of any singer, dancer, painter, or sportsperson. But it's impossible to get a famous personality from Kolkata. All the well known people are already engaged. Paltu Banerjee is being felicitated twice on the same day, but he can't manage it because both are in Kolkata. Everyone's booked by the some club or the other. The citation you just mentioned, said Indranath Roy, who happened to be the oldest among those present. Well, how can you use a citation meant for Samar Kumar for someone else? You haven't seen that citation, have you, Indrada? No. That explains it. You see, it doesn't talk about films or film stars. It begins with dear artists, so it could be anyone. May I see it now? Pranabesh took out paper from a drawer. We look at you and our wonder knows no bounds. Read Indranath. Sir Jagdish Bose had once read an address at a reception given in the honor of Rabindranath Tagore. This was the first sentence. The speech has been written by Sarat Chandra, said Chunnilal. And you copied it. It's only a quotation, Indrada. Surely no one can object that. It's a famous line. Every educated Bengali would recognize it. Besides, it makes such a good introduction. How many other quotations have you got in this citation? That's the only one. The rest is totally original. Right? That means the citation, it had a line, dear artist, which was being argued upon. Now, what happens, children, in such a situation that when we invite somebody on some function as to be the guest of honor and that person refuses to be there, then lot of confusion, lot of chaos is there, and we try to find, it's a very common thing, we try to find some alibi for that, right, whom we can scold upon, whom we can blast upon for all the failures, right? And same thing was happening there, right? So this guy says, Chunnilal says that he has not copied anything else but for this, only this one. Indranath dropped the rule on the table, yawned, and said, well, then you must decide on the next course of action. Akshay Bagchi was rather grave and somber man of about 50. He said, if you can give up the idea of having someone very well known, I can suggest a name. Since you must honor someone, you can consider him. Yes, it's obvious we can't get anyone really well known, said Pranabesh. But at the same time, we can't hold off any Tom, Dick, or Harry, can we? The person you have in mind ought to have made some kind of meaningful contribution to the world of art. Yes, said Akshay Bagchi, he had indeed. Who are you talking about? Pranabesh grew slightly impatient. He said, Haralal Chakravarti. Silence fell. Clearly, nobody has heard the name before. Indranath Rai was the only person who frowned a little and said, Haralal Chakravarti, you mean the illustrator? Yes, that's right. Akshay Bagchi nodded. We used to see his illustrations quite often in the storybooks when we were small. Most of these were mythological in nature. He was once very popular. He even used to do illustrations for magazines. I think honoring him is a better idea than doing something for people who are quite successful. Not a bad idea at all, Indranath sat up. I quite agree with Akshay. Now I can recall those illustrations clearly. The edition of Mahabharat we had at home had pictures drawn by Chakravarti. Were they really good? Asked Jayanta Sarkar. I mean, this man in whose honor we'll arranging a reception, does he deserve it? This time Naren Guyan said, yes, I remember now. We had a copy of Hatim Tai and the illustrations were signed by H. Chakravarti. Whether the pictures he draw, now this entire discussion is now shifted to a person, Haralal Chakravarti, who used to be, in your story books you might be seeing pictures being drawn, material, written material here, and a picture being drawn, just like, see this one, in this text also we have seen, right? Let me go back. See this. This is what I mean by a picture. See, this is on the right side, there is a picture of a man there. This kind of things was being done by this guy, Harlal Chakravarti, about whom they were thinking about honoring him. Now, whether the picture he draw was of high standard or not is really not important, said Indranath. What matters is he worked continuously over a long period of time. He could not have done so if there was no demand for his work. So he must have been popular. But as Akshay just said, he never got true recognition. Our Shatadal club can now give him that. Now, this is what happens when few intelligent people sit and decide upon the matter. A matter rose up that an artist, Sarat Kumar, uh, was unable to attend the function, felicitation function. So, rather than panicking about creating a lot of hue and cry, they argued upon another person who was not famous. Haralal Chakravarti was not famous, but his contribution was huge towards art. Right? His contribution was huge towards art. So, um, So what happened here is they discussed upon this guy, and now, and the most important thing said Akshay Bakshi. Also, if you like the most convenient during that he lives in this town, you don't have to run around Kolkata to get him. Good heavens, said Pranabesh, we didn't knew that. The whole idea was so new that everyone started talking at once. But where does he live? Nabakchi says, I know the place. Right? So I stop here, and I hope this is a good story, and we will be discussing it in the next session also. I hope you could understand whatever I taught to you up till now, and you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. So thank you once again.